causing trouble over affect the bay, hell, and heaven too. A loud noise? That's not good. Lie to do. Where you think it's coming from? The loud noise coming from a far HBTV building, and it played a loud speaker. We gotta go over there and soft down that speaker before it cause any more damage. So for this message, all need
Chase. I'll need you to use your flashlight to look for clues. Chase is on the case. And Rocky. I'll need you to use your tools
to shut down that speaker.